y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making one of the easiest sauce to put on your meat while you're cooking. It is the chimichurri sauce, so let's get started.
I am using dried ingredients here, but definitely feel free to use fresh ones. I have 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons parsley, 3 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper. And in this bowl I have 3/4 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. And all you have to do now is just mix all of them together and let the ingredients marinate for about 2 hours or overnight. Instead of the red wine vinegar, you can always substitute it for lemon juice. And for this sauce, you can use it on your chicken, fish, steak, or even just as a dip with bread. I actually just tried this myself with my naan and it tastes so delicious. It was more like a chutney almost, and it was great. So I did link up my naan video for you as well to check it out. And here, as you can see, I wrapped it up and I'm gonna putting this in the fridge and let it marinate. And ta-da! This is what it looks like. Well, before I let you guys go, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you have tried this sauce before. And thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.